Hello everyone, this is a quick demonstration of how to use your extra practices for your children to reinforce their learning every week. So here I am on our Family Resources for Live Classes page. Hopefully you've got this bookmarked, but remember it is always in my email signature as well. Up at the top under quick links, these links just jump you to different parts on this page. I'm going to click on extra practices. Just going to jump me down here. Here I see use the orange buttons below to access your child's extra practice slideshow. So I'll click on the beginner extra practice slideshow. Assuming my child is a beginner here, this is just kind of the cover slide. I can click anywhere. This is just a Google presentation now. So if you're familiar with that or PowerPoint, it works the same way. So I'm going to click anywhere to jump to the next slide. And here it says choose which week you are on by clicking the correct link below. Now I've got these rows separated by first semester and second semester. And under each week, I've got a little cheat sheet for you telling you the dates of that week. That is the Monday through Thursday, the days that we have classes for that week. So let's say that it is October 13th. My child just had their Thursday class yesterday. That means we are on week 5. So extra practice for week 5 for the beginners. Looks like we are practicing counting from 1 to 20. If I click anywhere again, that moves on to tell me what my extra practice is. Practice counting 1 to 10 in Spanish again to make sure that you are ready to move on to counting all the way to 20. If I click on this microphone button here, it's got a recording of the numbers. And then here, each speaker button has a separate recording for 11 to 20. Clicking again on the next slide after I've practiced those. Now try your best to count the numbers along with the recording. Keep on practicing until you can do it on your own. So another recording here, this time counting all the way to 20 in Spanish. Once I move on to the next week, I'm done. That was the week 5 extra practice. So now I am done with my extra practice for this week. Next week, I'll move on to week 6, practicing the family members. Simple as that. One thing to know is if you are using Google Chrome and you are in incognito mode, and this might be the same for private browsing on Safari. I'm not sure about other browsers, but the recordings actually will not work. So you click on this and it just says can't load audio right now. So if that happens to you, you are most likely in private browsing mode or incognito mode. So you're going to have to actually log into a profile. I'm actually on a guest profile up here and it's working fine for me. If that still happens to you, then send me an email and we will do some troubleshooting. Hopefully we can figure it out. So anyways, this is our extra practice. Back to the front here again. I click anywhere to get to the weeks, and these are my keys to extra practices for the whole year. Thanks for watching this video, and please make sure that you are reminding your kiddos to do their extra practice for Spanish every single week before their first class of the following week.